All right, so we're up fairly early today, Saturday morning. I believe it's the 20th September. 40-minute motorcycle ride, and I ended up here, Durham Golf. This is kill two birds with one stone, two stone birds, whatever. Gonna do a little disc golf. They have a little disc golf course here. I believe it's free, so I thought I would try this one for the first time. And then I'm on Taunton Road in Oshawa. And then my second stop is going to be the Great Hobbies Hobby Shop. And I just want to check out some covering materials and have a gander. And yeah, that's my morning. Should be back by noon. Flaps down. It's actually quite a busy airport. Just a quick video today. Oh, before I forget. Alexa, what day is it?
Today is Sunday, September 21st.
Alrighty. So, pretty much built. I'd say we're about 95% done all the balsa construction. So here's what I've changed, what I've added, and what I've noticed. Okay, let's start at the tail. The tail fin and the elevator and horizontal stabilizer are all made out of a single piece of balsa, so they're not structurally built like frames. So I went ahead and actually did a smear of thin CA on all sides before I sanded, and then a little bit after I sanded on the leading and trailing edges. So I've done that. Probably don't need to do that and reinforce it for something this size, but why take the chance? The other thing I've done is I've gone from, you can see them here, these are the stock wheels. I believe they're 2 3/4, and I have gone to 3 1/2. The idea being make it more of a bush plane and give it some more ground clearance. I had to do a little bit of creative engineering to make them work, but it worked out well. The other thing I've done is wheel skirts. Again, just made out of the scrap balsa left over. Those will be covered in whatever color I decide to do this, and they will be glued on there. And I think also I'll cut some balsa and make a little step up. I've also, it's kind of hard to see, but well, I guess you can't see it because it's inside. But anyway, I've done a double layer of ply, and that is going to be my mounting point for the braces, the wing struts that I intend to make after the fact, because this kit does not come with them. And for a little bit more scale, I thought I should have them. Everything else went together pretty good. There was no other issues really than what I just mentioned, but none that I've seen so far. And as you know, I did put in the extra piece of wire in the elevator to strengthen that up. So that's probably it for the weekend. I will probably check in next week when I start to do electronics. And one job I need to do first is cover the tail before I glue it on. So that is a priority, and I am waiting for one of those little mini irons so I can get in there pretty good with it. I only have the standard size one right now. Little guy's supposed to be coming this week, so I'm going to cover that, get the horns on, do a dry fit of all the control wires, push rods and pull rods, and from there we'll start roughing everything in. Next update should be electronics going in, ailerons, and a systems check. Anyways, thanks for watching again. Hopefully that's not too boring. Cheers, guys and girls, men, boys, and everybody in between.